go build us a cleaning box for it.
Show me how it works. Or rig up.
It works.
Got the heating strip in there. Got the box.
Let's go. Let's go build us a. Let's go get the Pittsburgh machine built.
Oh, I feel the heat. See that temperature.
Go build us a cleaning.
110 degrees.
Old 26
Taking a
inch.
picture of that whole time. Shooting video. That's how it works. Educational video. The temperature over here. Look at that. 20 degrees. That's good stuff.
Watch what happens. Heat strips. Still running. 13 amps. 13 amps. Switch is still closed. I mean, now it's open. Now it's open. No amps. But the fan's still running.
The heat strips kick off first. I mean the heat.
Fan's still running though, see?
But there's no power.
Switch is still closed. Fan's still running because the heater's inside these sequencers. They're staging it. Now the air's cooling down in there, and it's also getting all your hot air out of your ductwork where it's not wasting inner energy. Getting all your hot air, making sure all of it's drained out of that ductwork.
Boy, shut off.
Alright, and now the switch is open. Fan cuts off until it gets low voltage again.
Let's say like 15 seconds between each one.
And that's the shut off.
Time it. You want to time it real quick?
Hold on.
Alright.
Alright.
Low voltage. Alright.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Alright, now how many between the next one? Alright.
That was 20.
Like 15
18 seconds.
So about 15 seconds. 5 seconds.
18.
5 seconds, the first one cuts on.
10 seconds.
Then 18 more minutes. 18 more seconds, this
after
cuts
that,
on.
18? I thought it was 15.
15 or 18.
It's about 15 because when child looked at it, it was already, it hit 20.
Alright, let's see how long it takes up. You ready? Alright.
Shuts off, okay.
Voltage is gone. Just restart it. You're supposed to restart it. Voltage is gone.
That should let me time my little laps.
Alright,
15
one's
seconds.
gone.
15 seconds.
15 seconds for one to go off.
Yep.
See how long it takes for the next one to go off.
For the fan to go off, right?
So it takes 15 seconds for the heat strips to come back off, and then
It should be 15 seconds.
and for the fan to come off.
18, 20,
What up, man?
23.
Ugh.
What?
That shit was doing
30.
It's off now, basically.
30 seconds. 40.
There you go.
Oh.
Wow, 40 seconds.
It takes longer for them
Shut off.
to
So
to
that
cool
was the whole
down.
secret.
That's because it make it